Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. This was going to be fairly quick, something that I've been wanting for a long time because I got a Blackstone oil analysis kit or test actually done on the truck. I'm not sure if y'all can check those out. Those were just put up. They are badass. Getting back to the subject, so I got Blackstone. I sent an oil analysis based off of, I did an oil change. One of the first videos I put up when I bought my F250. And so this oil analysis kind of keeps you up to date, informs you of how your engine is doing based off of the break-in, specifically for mine because it only had about 4,200 miles on the truck when I actually sent in the oil to be analyzed. So what I'm actually going to do is actually take you through the analysis based off of what the Blackstone actually sent me. Alright guys, so if you've never done an oil analysis, here is something that you're going to receive back. It's emailed straight back to you. So as you can see, it says oil report, 6.7 power stroke, blah blah blah. Oil use interval 3,000 miles, and this is the oil that I use, T6 5W40. It gives you a sweet comment paragraph, something that anyone could understand based off of Blackstone actually sending something to you and breaking it down Barney style for a lot of people that don't understand aluminum, chromium, iron, copper, lead, tin, all these different variables that I don't even understand that I appreciate in their comment paragraph. So I'll read it to you. Congrats on the new F250. Obviously they know that the mileage of the truck was 4,250 miles. It certainly looks new in oil analysis with above average levels of copper and silicon. Very similar to my Ram 2500 oil analysis at a similar age with mileage. These elements are typically from parts wearing in and sealer assembly loop respectively, and they should, I can't even read. And they should end up lower in your next sample. Most of the wear metals are already on the low side of averages, so really your engine is ahead of schedule. That's very comforting. For reference, universal averages show typical wear for a 6.7 power stroke after about 7,000 miles of oil use. So based off of all the oil analysis that they do for 6.7 power strokes, this is what they've caught, referencing that 7,000 miles. The truck should be broken in, losing all of the additives or silicon, probably copper that the truck usually pushes off as it gets a little older with some mileage on it. I did get the TBN upgrade. I think it was about $10 more in the oil analysis, but it did say that 5.6 TBN means active additive was left in the oil. Your new truck is off to a good start. So what that TBN really tests for is that, hey, you can run your oil a little longer. It has all the active additives that you pay for in a quality oil. So universal averages are right there. Unit location averages, hours on oil or miles, and that's miles, 3,000 miles interval. I had my truck had 4,250 miles on it, the sample date, and here's all the results based off of what the truck had. Here's the averages. So value should be blah 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 blah. Everything looked legit. Again, they broke it down for me Barney style so that I can understand all of this and how they're comparing it to the universal averages and where these trucks should be at its certain age. I'm sweating. So if y'all have never done oil analysis on your truck, whether it's coming straight from first oil change, or the truck has like 200,000 miles on it, 300,000 miles on it, it's always safe, it's always good to see how the interior or the insides of your truck, its guts, are doing based off of the oil analysis. So that's just one thing I wanted to share with y'all. I think it was about 20-30 bucks to get the oil analysis done. I'll go ahead and put the link in the description if you wanted to do something similar. It's very simple. Put a small little bottle underneath while you're doing an oil change. That's the easiest way. Send that sample in after ordering a test kit from Blackstone. The test kit's free. All you have to pay for is the actual analysis. So very simple process. If you have any questions, comments, go ahead and let me know down below your experience with Blackstone. Is there any other reputable oil analysis group out there? I'd be interested. But I've already done another oil change. My next oil change I'm actually going to send in for another analysis. So looking forward to that. Stay tuned. See you next time.